There's no running away from yourself. In those moments, it's just you and yourself. Are you going to take and push yourself to that limit? Being consistent throughout in all parts of your training, your exercise, the way that you approach competition, training your mind and giving everything to that.
More, let's go! Let's go! There we go, Brad. Come on! Come on!
Yeah.
Nice. Nice. 1, 2, nice. 3, nice. 4, nice. 5. Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, nice. 5,
11, start to 15, 12, 13, 14, 15. Nice. Hindi na, 15 ako, justro.